Hello students, welcome you all in this video where I'm going to solve the next numerical from chapter 11 electricity class 10 science. I'm solving all the numericals from your NCERT book. So let's start with the question. So the question says two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? So here you can see, here there are two lamps. One is having power 100 volt, second is having power 60 volt, and both are connected in parallel. So whenever they are connected in parallel, remember the voltage will remain same, that is 220 volt. So here we have to find out the current in this. So let's start solving the answer. I'll write here answer. As I told, whenever the connection in parallel, the voltage remains same. So let's write down the sentence. In both the lamps, voltage will be same, that is 220 volt, because these are in parallel to electric main supply. Electric main supply. So remember this sentence. Now by using this sentence, we will calculate the power. So write down next. So first I will calculate current drawn by lamp rated 100 watt. So how much power? 100 watt. So therefore the formula I am going to use it. Power, that is capital P, is equals to voltage, that is capital V, into current, that is capital I. So here the formula is P is equals to V into I. Now here we have to find out current. So therefore here in the formula, I is equals to power divided by voltage. Substitute the values. I is equals to, what is the power here? That is 100, and what is the voltage? It is 220. So therefore cancel 0 and 0. Now what is remaining here? It is 10 divided by 22. Now this is the current. I'll write it here ampere, or let me write it again once again. I is equals to 10 divided by 22 ampere. So I'll keep it as it is because still I have to find out the total current in the whole circuit. So this is in case of first one. Now second case, that is current drawn by lamp rated 60 watt. Now the second lamp which has power 60 watt. So the formula will remain same. P is equals to V into I, and I want to find out I. So therefore it will be I is equals to P divided by V. Substitute the values. So what I'll get it here? I is equals to, what is the power here? 60, and what is the voltage here? That is 220. So again 0 0 will be cancelled, and the remaining is, that is I is equals to 6 divided by 22, and the unit is ampere. So this is the current in second lamp. Now I have to find out the total current. So write down, hence the current drawn from the electric main supply or from the line, according to question, or from the line. See here, from the line they have asked. So from the line. So what is the formula? Just we have to add these two currents. So here let me write it I1 for this, and write it here I2 for this. So now I'll do capital I is equals to I1 plus I2. Like this we can do it. Now substitute. I is equals to, what is I1 here? 10 divided by 22, and what is I2 here? 6 divided by 22. Now find out the LCM. LCM will remain 22 because both have same numerator. So here it will be 10 and here it will be 6. So I is equals to 10 plus 6 is 16 divided by, 16 divided by 22. This is ampere. Now this we can solve it. So let me solve it here. So 16 and here it is 22. So this is a smaller number. Therefore first I will take point and here I will take 0. So first we will do 22. So let me do it here. 22 sevens are 7 to the 14, 1, 7 to the 14 and 1 will be 15. So 154 I can do it. So let me write it here. So I'll write it 54. So this is 22 sevens are. So minus it, we'll get here 6, then here it will be 0, 0. Now here I'll take again 0. So here we can do it 22 twos are. So 22 twos are will be 44. Again 6, here it will be 1. So here how much will be remaining? 1. 6 minus 5 will be 1. I'll again take 0. So again 22 sevens are we can do it as earlier I have done. So here it will be again 6, 0 and 0 and it continues. So the answer I can write it for this is I is equals to 0.727 ampere. So this is the answer. In the question you can see we have to find out the current. See here. What is the current drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt and this is the current. So I hope you will understand the explanation of this numerical. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing my channel to see all the numericals from this chapter 11 electricity. Thank you so much.